to do that. No any permission being given also. We are also conducting the checkings on the road races. Even the special Naka being enforced at night. The special checkings are also being conducted together with the SOTs and the traffic peoples. So that we are taking utmost preventive measures that this thing should not be allowed in the slum city. Actually, the thing is that this falls under the race and negligent driving. These are the race and negligent driving. So race and negligent driving, we take in the race and negligent driving that is not being allowed with the state wide. That is another things. So we take the appropriate actions.
A lot of these areas, especially in Saudi area, because it's a newly developed area, so a lot of people go that side, and youngsters, they take their two-wheelers and do sort of stunts.
We have started conducting the checking their side also on every Saturday and Sunday, especially on the holidays. Those areas outskirts of the city, that we have put our peoples on the job, and if anyone is found violated, we are taking the appropriate actions.